Well, hello! Here we are again this week. Did you like my last episode where I did cooked chicken? Did you try it? I hope you did because it's so good. Today I'm gonna do another chicken dish. I hope you like this one too. It's one of my many all-time favorites. This is my chicken drumstick. No, it's chicken thigh drumstick. That's right. This is the part that I like using because it's dark meat. A dish called seared baked chicken thigh drumstick. Does that make sense? How about we just call it yummy chicken dish? Okay, well, enough joking around. Let's get started. So I'll show you the ingredients. Number one thing, obviously, we need chicken, soya sauce, carrots. I cheated. I bought the little carrots instead of cutting it up myself. Parsley, basil, some potatoes, garlic, ginger, salt, honey, orange peel, black pepper, chili powder. I almost forgot, you need mustard and most importantly, corn starch. So today we're gonna cut up the basil first. Next, we're gonna mince up the parsley. So now we're going to cut up 6 potatoes into little chunks. So we would need about 6 cloves of garlic, and we're going to mince it up. You know, I normally never do this. I always buy the pre-minced garlic, so I don't have to do this. But I ran out of it, so I have to do it manually. And my ginger, I can smash it and mince it, but I'm gonna grate it because it's a lot easier. And I'm gonna use the peel too. Ta-da! While I'm at it, I am also gonna grate my orange peel. Make sure you wash it because there's a lot of wax and pesticide on it. So you just want the orange part. Here's my lovely orange peel. You can use that to marinate the chicken. For marinating, we are going to put in 1/4 cup of honey. So I'm just gonna eyeball it, but 1/4 cup should be like that much. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1, 2, 1/3 cup of parsley. You can put more if you want. I love parsley, so I'm just gonna add in more. Yummy. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Quarter cup of cornstarch. Add in 2 tablespoons of orange peel. So now you just have to get your hands in there and mix it all around. So was that fun getting your hands in there and all dirty? I mean, all yummy. Now that it's all mixed in there, we're gonna leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours to get it marinated and get the flavor really soaked in there. In the meantime, we are going to prep the vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna season the potato with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can sprinkle some salt and pepper. And we're just gonna mix it. Lay it out on a pan. So the chicken's been in the fridge been marinating for about 2 hours now. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna sear it, and then we're gonna incorporate it into with the vegetables and bake it. Okay, if the pan is really hot, I'm gonna add some oil. Okay, we are now going to pan fry some carrots. Then add some salt, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Fry it until it's nice and golden. So you want to turn the heat to medium. You don't want to burn your butter. That's my leftover butter. So about half a cup, 1 tablespoon of garlic, half a cup of honey, quarter cup soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of mustard. I'm just going to eyeball it, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with water. Mix it up a little bit. One tablespoon of chili powder. I don't have chili flakes, so you can add chili powder. Incorporate your basil and parsley. So here's the potato. So it's been in there for half an hour. Now I'm gonna add the chicken on top. Remove the carrots. Now we're just gonna stick them all inside. So the sauce, I am just gonna smear it on, lather it on like that. So now we are just gonna place it in the oven. Bake at 400 cook time. Wow, it's ready. Check that out. That's my dish. Isn't it worth it? It smells so yummy. Wow, that was so good, wasn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, let me know. It motivates me to make more videos to show you how much I love cooking and to show you. If you like my video or want to watch my next video, remember to subscribe and thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Bye.